We're at Dugard head office in Hove. We're here to look at the Hanwha range of machines. Colin, they're not really well known in the UK at the moment.
No, it's like a heading gem in the sliding head environment. Across Europe and the rest of the world, massive, absolutely massive, pushing top spots.
Wow, so it's your job to get these out in the UK.
Indeed.
Why to buy one then?
Well, you've got all the flexibility, the precision, the speed that you would associate with a sliding head, but also you're getting a fantastic commercial package around that.
Okay, when you say, we won't go into price, but when you say commercial package, the whole, like, from the feeder through to the other end?
What we mean by commercial is not always pound signs, against what most people commonly associate that with. But with our machines, we provide swarf conveyors, long parts ejection as standard, right the way through, fire suppression as standard, bar feeder, and away you go.
Okay, so you're not just a machine, the whole lot, so you can drop it in the machine shop and you're up and running.
Indeed, that's what we're all about, trying to give you the complete solution.
These machines, in terms of specification, what can I expect?
They actually vary machine to machine. We can actually go from a 3mm diameter up to 45mm, but we can also go up to 9 axes quite comfortably to give you a lot of flexibility to machine any part your machine shop will require out of that diameter bar.
Okay, so you've got that flexibility in terms of your axes, your tooling, driven tooling, static tooling. Indeed. So the only limit in terms of parts of manufacturing is my imagination. Totally.
We'll see it so often, and sometimes it's customers that push our imagination to make the parts as well.
If I'm thinking of buying one of these Hanwha machines and I've got a really intricate component, how easy is it for me to program?
No, exceedingly easy nowadays. With Hanwha, the beauty we have is we're quite unique. We have 2 control options. We have FANUC and Siemens. On the FANUC, we actually have a program assist software, which we call program guidance, Hanwha program guidance. But then on the Siemens control, we actually have that built on board. So it's very similar to a shop turn, shop mill scenario. Prompts, aids to get your programming up and running as quick as we possibly can.
So basically make it really simple for me to program.
Indeed.
Okay, you've also got chip control system on these machines.
Yeah, we call it PCR, programmable chip removal. It's a macro-based chip breaking software. Very important for running lights out on stringy materials, plastics, some aluminiums, materials along that nature. And it just enables that door to stay down for longer, therefore making you more money.
Okay, so birds nesting is a thing of the past?
Long gone, thank God.
But you're going to give me one massive problem, my swarf bin is going to be even heavier.
Oh yes, but we can provide you a bigger swarf bin.
Okay. How powerful are these machines?
Well, on the Siemens control, we can actually go up to 23 kilowatts on the main, 23 kilowatts on the sub.
Wow.
Yes, wow is one word for it.
So I'm thinking, if you go in guidebush mode, you're doing really close, really accurate, really big depths of cut.
Very, very much so. 10mm, not a problem in most materials.
Great overview of your sliding head range of machines, Colin. Just give me a quick couple of points why I'd buy one.
Well, what you're buying is an accurate, strong, reliable sliding head lathe from Dugard, but more importantly, us at Dugard take great pride in supporting you, not just in the purchase, but for the long term of the future of this machine in your shop.